Here we go. So today we're going to be talking about the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. I threw all your guys' notes out there, so you need to be taking them, right? Okay, so these are the things you need to know. You can use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out, okay, is the longest side of that triangle equal to the other sides squared and added together? If you get a statement that is true, then you have a right triangle. Obtuse triangle would be your longest side is greater than the squares and sum of the two other sides. And an acute, which kind of makes sense, right? Because if you have a big angle, you're going to have the longer side and it's going to be larger. It's going to be more than the two legs squared and added. And the acute is just the opposite. It'll be the longest side will be less than the two other legs squared and added. Does that kind of make sense? Okay, so could any of these represent a right triangle? So take the largest number and you're going to set that up. You're going to do like 35 squared. Is that equal to 22 squared plus 28 squared? Then you would do, okay, 74 is the longest side. Take 74 squared. Is it equal to 25 squared plus 70 squared? Then on this one, and it is 5, 12, 13, because that is a special triangle, right? So is 13 squared equal to 12 squared plus 5 squared? And then finally you would do 73 is the largest side. Is 73 squared equal to 48 squared plus 56? So the one that gives you a true statement will be the answer, and it should be 5, 12, 13, because 13 squared, that equals 169. And then 12 squared is 144 plus 25 is 169, right? 144 plus 25. So 169 equals 169. That is a true statement. So this is your answer, right? Okay. Pretty easy. So it's going to extend that down here, and you're going to have to fill in the blank with either right, acute, or obtuse on delta math. So you have your triangle. So set up the thing. You don't know what it is. So is it equal to, is it greater than, is it less than? So 55 squared, is that equal to 33 squared plus 44 squared? So 33 squared plus 44 squared gives me 3,025. 55 squared is 3,025. So they are equal. What do we have? Right. The triangle is right because the square of the largest side equals the sum of the two other sides. Okay. Same thing with this. We're figuring out 66 squared. What is it? Is it equal? Is it less than? Is it greater than? 25 squared plus 43 squared. So 25 squared plus 43 squared, that's 2,474. That's a 4. And 66 squared is 4,356. It's not equal, but it is greater than. When it's greater than, what kind of triangle we have? Obtuse. So we have an obtuse triangle because the largest side is greater than the sum of the other two sides. And one more problem, right? And then that's it for today. So we'll see, okay, is 77 squared, is it equal to 52 squared plus 74 squared? So 77 squared is 5,929. 52 squared plus 74 squared is 8,180. So it is less than. It's not equal, it's less than. So we have an acute triangle. It is acute because the largest side is smaller than or less than. You could say. Okay, so that should be pretty easy today for Friday. If you have questions, come see me.